नॉर्थ ईस्टच्या या लांबच्या आणि थरारक प्रवासानंतर मी पोहोचलो होतो अरुणाचल प्रदेशमधल्या एका अशा ठिकाणी जिथे निसर्ग आहे, संस्कृती आहे आणि संगीत तर इथल्या हवेतच मिसळलेलं आहे. हे आहे झिरो. चारही बाजूंनी हिरव्यागार डोंगरांनी वेढलेली, भाताच्या शेतांनी सजलेली आणि आपल्या अनोख्या संस्कृतीसाठी ओळखली जाणारी अरुणाचल प्रदेशमधली ही सुंदर झिरो व्हॅली. इथली ओळख म्हणजे अपातानी जमात. शेकडो वर्षांपासून आपल्या परंपरा, आपली संस्कृती आणि निसर्गासोबतच नातं जपून ठेवणारे हे लोक. आणि याच झिरो व्हॅलीमध्ये वर्षातून एकदा असा उत्सव भरतो जिथे देश-विदेशातून लोक येतात, नवीन कलाकार येतात, हजारो लोक एकत्र येतात आणि मग हे शांत झिरो व्हॅलीचं रूप पूर्णपणे बदलून जातं. हा आहे झिरो म्युझिक फेस्टिवल. मी ज्या कॅम्पसोबत राहत होतो, आज त्यांनी आमच्यासाठी इकडची एक लोकल विलेज टूर आणि तिकडची फेमस अपातानी ट्राईबसोबत एक इंटरॅक्शन सेशन ठेवलं होतं.
Yeah, so if you interact with the locals, just smile, and you can always say namaste when you greet, and for thank you can say paya aro pacho.
Paya Aropacho.
I don't use a phone, guys, because always I've been sort of an anarchist, and I feel this device is like a mind control device. We wake up every morning and see the same things. Make
Nice.
some way for. Hey, familia. Namaste.
What is this you're wearing? This thing? What is this?
This is a gift from my brother from Argentina.
Oh,
He makes these lighter cases
okay.
and he will gift it away, and each one of them will have like a cute message. This one says everything is perfect.
Nice, nice. तर मग आता आम्ही आमचे जे गाईड आहेत बॉब त्यांच्या इकडच्या घरी आलो आहे. लोकल घर आहे आणि खूप सुंदर आहे, फुल बांबूने बनवलेलं आहे. अँड दिस इज हिज बॅकयार्ड.
Welcome to the traditional Apatani house. Today we came to Hale Hibu's house, and this is a traditional Apatani house. As you can see, everything we see around is sourced from the nature. The bamboo, the chair I'm sitting on, you can see it's bamboo cane. The door, as you see, this is to keep the chickens out. And when they want the chickens in, they will open this. And the roof is all bamboo. Above it, they have storage. They will keep things. And this is basically the living room. And always in Apatani house, in the living room, they'll have a fireplace like this, where they will have this sort of a swing shelf where they keep the wet wood which gets smoked. They keep the meat that they smoke, sort of jerky, and they cook here, and the smoke rises and keeps all the wet wood dry and smokes the meat to preserve the meat. And here we see this traditional apang container where they store the apang. Apang is the local millet beer or rice beer
ओके.
which they ferment. After fermentation, they store it away, and in the filter there's a long process, and they store it in these sort of jars. ये पिंटा. हेलो भाई. So इसमें आप क्या करते हैं?
यहाँ में दारू पहले जमाने में रखता था. दारू ये our traditional move है. ये जो क्या बोलते हैं जोग
Jog to serve.
हाँ साहब.
So इससे लेके
To
ऐसी? इससे
No,
मोटे
this is to stir, I guess.
and pinta.
To
So this is a way to serve
okay.
the rice beer. So all
क्या
the
देखो
solid particles stays
नो
underneath.
उठता है नहीं आता है. छोटा छोटा लेना हो.
This is not the right fit as we see.
Yeah.
But this is the traditional rice beer making instruments and serving mallet. And here we see the traditional knife of the tribesmen. Usually the men will always have this around their body. And in different languages they call it differently. Commonly they call it dao, but आप इन्हें क्या कहते हैं आपातानी में?
यो
Yo.
हाँ
So मैं देख सकता हूँ?
हाँ निकाल सकते हैं देख सकते हैं। ये
Pacho. So usually they wear it around the body like this, and you will always see all the men, if you see men walking around with this, which means they're working men, and they use this here to just for basic everyday work, to slash bamboo, to sacrifice chickens or even mutton. There are different sizes. This is like the utility knife, so it's small, but they also have longer swords and knives. Here, in different languages, they have different names. And the case, you see, the sheath, it's also made out of bamboo with a lot of precision. Traditionally, they would use still bamboo, and it's made with a lot of precision for everyday use, presenting the hero.
Nice.
And here we see the rice wine apong being served for us. आप कुछ और कहना चाहेंगे?
हम जो बोलेगा
ठीक है,
इसको ले लो।
इसको लेके चलते हैं.
हाँ
So now we go to our friends waiting outside
Yeah.
in the bamboo forest, and we chill there with some apong. Here we are going to have some rice beer, and I think he will serve it in a bamboo cup. So let's relax for a bit. Namaste ji, namaste. So we are back with guess what? Some and this homemade rice beer apong. Served by our dear brother Hale Hibu.
Thank
Who
you.
wants to initiate? And fresh.
जी अभी बनाया मतलब
Usually they have it fermented and they make like the fermented rice balls and put them away. And whenever they want to drink, they'll like sort of sieve it, filter it, and add some water, and it's ready to drink.
like fresh.
It's fresh, freshly made just now. Some of our brothers, they documented it.
Okay.
It's a very sacred place inside the house, the living room, so we should respect. But we all can go, like in groups of five, slowly. अंदर जाके देखे हम इधर आ जाएंगे. Sacrifice chickens to make way in the forest, to cut trees and plants, to make houses, construction.
Nice.
And traditionally also
भारी है भाई, भारी है.
rope that you see, it was
Good.
made out of bamboo cane.
मस्त है.
But it's easier to plastic is so easily available and
जी
sturdy. So
What is the review?
like this.
it's quite amazing.
Okay.
And since I'm trying for the first time, so
Pass it on to all of you.
मजा आया.
Sorry.
Careful.
What is your review?
Good, sweet.
Mulut aja kapag karo kaya.
नमस्ते आंटी आंटी आपके टैटू के बारे में कुछ बताएंगे लाइक कैसे आपने ये टैटू
ये तो अपना टूट गया ओ नहीं टूटे तू को
न्यू আছে
हम लोग का नियम है
आपतन का
पहले पुराना का नियम है माँ बाप लोग ना
माँ बाबा लोग का
माँ पिता जैसा
पता है
पहले मन में वही जैसा था उसको अच्छी से ना
साड़ी पापा
ऐसा अच्छा अच्छा से मी करके
आता है
वो ऐसा पहले ऐसा लगाता है वो उसी समय में ओ कटा जो मान में कटा कटा नॉर्मल ये कटा जंगल में रहे
आणि हा एक्सपिरियन्स माझ्यासाठी खूपच इंटरेस्टिंग होता.
All these tribes, they would live on either side of the mountains, And earlier there were only few people, like 50 people in a tribe, 100 people in a tribe. Apatani tribe is the biggest. Zero belongs mostly to Apatanis. And Nishis and Adi and Galo, all the other tribes live around the mountains. So, because Zero is so beautiful, the women from Apatani tribe are very beautiful. They're known for the beauty. And the Nishi tribe men, you will see like all the tribesmen will carry a sword, but they will have like a slightly bigger sword, and they were known for being a little aggressive and super drunk. So they used to come to the Apatani tribe and pick all the beautiful women, kill all the men, and pick the women and take back to the tribe. So once the Apatani women realized, oh, we're so beautiful, what can we do about this? And the men couldn't protect them, so they started to unbeautify themselves by making facial tattoos on each other and expanding nose, putting earplugs, so that, the men would say, yuck, oh, she's not so pretty, I won't take you. So this way, this custom began of tattooing each other and doing nasal expansions, which still carries on. You can see some of the last generation women around walking with some tattoos and the plugs. But the modern day girls, they're like, strong and with dyed hair and Converse shoes. So we are very lucky, I guess, to see last of these tribal women.
Yes.
विलेज टूर एक्सपिरियन्स करून झाल्यानंतर आम्ही डायरेक्टली झिरो म्युझिक फेस्टिवलच्या दिशेने निघालो.
What is this? Cricket. No. हाँ मैं तो वीडियो ले रहा हूँ. हाँ. Wait. Oh, your turn, bro. Salty. इसको क्रिकेट सॉल्टी लग रहा है. You are here to try? This is roasted frog. Wait, एक बार एक खाओ पहला, वरना
देख भी नहीं पा रही.
देख नहीं पा रहे.
nice. Look at her face. क्या? Frog. Oh my god. Crazy. Thank you. कसं होतं
हळूहळू सारखं.
हळूवाडी सारखं होतं क्रिकेट.
हळूहळू.
या आय नो. भाई तू कसं खातोय?
हळूहळू आहे, मस्त आहे.